numbers. Suppose this is the A set. Set of even numbers means 2, 4, 6, 8, dash dash dash. Okay, up to infinity. So this is the set of even numbers in roster form. Second one, set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. A is equals to 2. Third one, set of negative integers. Suppose B is the set of negative integers. So suppose this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay. Then next one. Fourth one, 7 basic sounds of a sargam. A is equals to sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, and sa. Okay. Question number 2. Write the following symbolic statement in words. First one, 4/3 set Q. This is the sign of set. Okay. So you have to write this symbolic statement in words. So 4/3 is an element of set Q. 4/3 is an element of set Q. Okay. Then second one. Next one, -2 is not an element of set of natural numbers. -2 is not an element of set of, this is N means, capital N means natural number. So -2 is not an element of set of natural number. Third one, P is a set of P. P is a set of P such that P is an odd number. P is a set of P such that P is an odd number. Then next, question number 3. Write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. First one, A is equals to 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This is the set. A is a set of natural number. Okay. It is written by listing method. But this same set is written by rule method. Okay. So A is a set of X. A is a set of X. And A is a set of X such that X is an element of natural number. Okay. A is a set of X and X is an element of set N. Okay. And X is an element which is greater than 5 but less than 10. Okay. This is the set by rule method. Okay. Then second example. This is the first example. Then second one. A is equals to A, E, I, O, U. Okay, this is a set A by listing method. Okay, the same set which is written by rule method. A is equals to, A is a set of X is such that X is a vowel of English alphabet. X is a vowel of English alphabet. This is the set by listing method. This is by say rule method. This is again second example of listing method, and this is rule method. Question number 4. Write the following set using listing method. First one, all months in the Indian solar system. So A is a set of all the months in the Indian solar system. This is the months in the Indian solar system: Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyeshta, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik, Agrana, Paush, Magh and Falgun. So A is a set of all the months in the Indian solar year. Then second one, letters in the word complement. Here you have to write, यहाँ पे आपको एक लेटर सिर्फ एक ही बार लिखना है, ठीक है. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल A इज अ सेट ऑफ C O M P L E. अभी यहाँ पे फिर से M आया तो M फिर से लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है. यहाँ पे एक लेटर सिर्फ एक ही बार लिखना है, ठीक है. सो E, then E is also repeated here. E letter is also repeated, so there is no need to write in again, ठीक है. एक लेटर एक ही बार लिखना है. Then next N and T. Okay. Then third one, set of human sensory organs. So A is a set of human sensory organs. So skin, eyes, ears, nose and tongue. Then fourth one, set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. So A is a set of prime numbers from 1 to 20, means 2, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So A is a set of prime numbers from 1 to 20, means 2, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and 3. Okay. So fifth one, names of continents of the world. So A is a set of continents of the world. So Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. So next one, question number 5. Question number 5, write the following set using rule method. So first one is the A is a set of 1, 4, 9, 60, 25, 36, 64, 81 and 100. So this is the square of natural numbers. Okay. So 1 square means 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81 and 10 square 100. So it is a square of natural number from 1 to 10. So you have to write this set in by using rule method. Okay. So A is a set of X such that X is equals to n square, but n is an element of set n. N means natural number. Okay. And n which is less or equals to 1 and which is greater or equals to 10. Okay. So that means A is a set of natural number from 1 to 10. Second one, B is equals to, B is a set of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. This is the multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, and 6 eights are 48. Okay, this is the multiples of 6. So you have to write this set by using rule method. So B is a set of x. X is equals to B is a set of x such that x is equals to 6y. But y is an element of set n. N means it is a natural number. Okay, and y which is greater or equals to 1 and which is less or equal to 8. Means 1 to 8. Y is an element of natural number from 1 to, it is a multiple of 1 to 8. Okay, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. Third one, C is a set of elements of S, M, I, L, E. So you have to write this set by using rule method. So A is a set of X such that X is a letter of the word smile. Fourth one, A is a set of elements of Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This is the day of the week. So A is a set of X such that X is a day of the week. Then next, fifth one, X is a set of elements A, E, T. So A is a set of X such that X is a word